One of the most confusing topics in the solar industry is the question, what are the different types of solar panels? Ask this question in a showroom, on social media, or even among technicians, and you are likely to receive different answers. One person may say there are monocrystalline and polycrystalline panels. Another may mention half-cut and bifacial panels. Someone else may insist that the latest types are PERC, TOPCon, or HJT. All of these answers are correct, yet they describe different aspects of a solar panel. The confusion arises because the term type is being used in different contexts.
Once these different contexts are understood, the confusion disappears. A modern premium solar panel can accurately be described as monocrystalline N-type, TOPCon, half-cut, bifacial, shade-protected, multi-busbar, and glass all at the same time. Each term describes a different characteristic of the same module rather than contradicting the others. This is why asking, "What type of solar panel is this?" without specifying the context often leads to conflicting answers. A better question is, are we talking about the cell material, the cell technology, the cell design, the module construction, or the panel's special features? Once the context is clear, every classification makes sense. Understanding these different contexts helps installers, engineers, and customers make informed decisions instead of being overwhelmed by marketing terms. Rather than memorizing dozens of names, it is more useful to understand what each name actually describes. That knowledge makes it much easier to compare products, evaluate manufacturers' claims, and select the most suitable solar panel for a particular application.